Hello.
Northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, 6:45 p.m. 3:30 p.m. Radar indicated thunderstorms predicting heavily across the Warren area between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin. Source, radar. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, as well as other forward drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hill, Ross County, Tyler County, Marysville, Hampton Township, New Kensington, Lower Burrell, Harrison County, Wexford, Westview, Oakmont, Fox Chapel, Arnold, Tarentum, Natrona Heights, and Springdale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Low water crossings which are potentially dangerous and dangerous. Flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Find an alternate route. Flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Westmoreland, Pennsylvania. Central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 5:15 heavy rain across the Warren area. 1 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard by flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Urban areas, highways, streets, and other forces as well as another areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greensburg, Jeanette, Lake Hope, Irwin, West Chestertown, Royal Hanna, Blairsville, Manor, Ewenwood, Derry, Lawson Heights, Stampton, Black Lick, Calumet, Norvell, New Florence, New Valley, Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Indiana and Westmoreland. Flood warning for southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, and 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain. 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. 0.5 ongoing or expected thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Belleville, Economy, New Brighton, Beaver, Calcutta, Maiden, Rochester, Holyoke, Harmony Township, Midland, Chester, Industry, Shippingport, Patterson Township, Conway, and Big Beaver. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Elwood City, Oakwood, Newcastle Northwest, Big Beaver, New Beaver, Elford, Bessemer, New Bedford, Plain Grove Township, Coppell, Wampler, South Newcastle, New Galilee, Edon Valley, Harmonsburg, Darlington, Homewood, SMPJ, and Rose Point Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning. Flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for northern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern West Morgan County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, eastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. At 6:55 p.m. Rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Townsburg, McCandless Township, Monroe, Cranberry, New Township, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Taylor Township, Clark, Captain Township, Wilkinsburg, Robinson Township, New Kensington, Millville, Harrison Township, O'Hara Township, and Wampler. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Cranberry, Moon Township, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Taylor Township, Plum, Hampton Township, Wilkinsburg, Robinson Township, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Harrison Township, Economy, O'Hara Township, and Bellevue. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flash flood warning for southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 11:15 p.m. Local law enforcement reported flash flooding in the east coast. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Liverpool, Aliquippa, Beaver Falls, Winnetka, Wellsville, Economy, New Brighton, Beaver, Rochester, Harmon Township, Chester, Industry, Davenport, Patterson Township, Conway, and Mead Beaver. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. WWWX 2.55 megahertz. Pennsylvania, Beaver in Washington, Jefferson, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia. Storm warning for. Northeast Florida storm warning for. Northeastern Jefferson. Southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania. Northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania. Bruce County in northern West Virginia. Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 8:30 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Toronto or near Whitney. 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Resulting in this forecast. Locations intended include Stouffville, Toronto, Wintersville, Beaver Township, Swansea, Hooverson Heights, New Cumberland, Burkenttown, Richmond, New Manchester, Empire, Stratford, Bloomingdale, Frankfurt Express, Unionport, Brentwood, Rockdale, Colliers, and Sun Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412. To the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. A strong between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain are falling. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, silos, creeks, and other places as well as exploring drainage and low-lying areas. Coming up is some family experience flash flooding in Hugh, Boone Township, Milton, Minneapolis, Seneca, Ontario, Frankfurt Springs, Hamilton Township, Raccoon Creek State Park, Pittsburgh International Airport, and Northfield Township. Turn around, don't drown on encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths are in vehicles. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central and Jefferson, Ohio, counties in East Central Ohio, Burke County in northern West Virginia, and Burke County in northern West Virginia until 11:30 p.m. Ongoing or expected to be shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and urban areas, silos, streets, and other places as well as underscore drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding in Whitney, Toronto, Wintersville, New York, and Sun Valley.
The following is a test of the emergency. emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 12:30 a.m. At 9:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 0.75 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar warning. Small creeks has issued a urban areas for highways, central streets, and underpasses, as well as other core drainage and water areas. At some locations that will experience flash flooding include storms producing heavy rain across Warren area, Monroeville, Taylor Township, Plum, Northside Pittsburgh, Wilkinsburg, New Kensington, Louisville, Smithville, O'Hara Township, Bellevue, Westview, Oakmont, Fox Chapel, Millville, Etna, Sharpsburg, and Springdale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A strong thunderstorm will impact northeastern Allegheny and northwestern Westmoreland counties through 9:45 p.m. areas. At 9:17 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over hills, moving at 35 miles per hour. River Township. Hazard: wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Kensington. Source: Smithville, O'Hara Township, Bellevue, Westview, drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Hey KK, you finally go, huh?
Trying to be joking.
Yep, there they go, WKST.
A flash flood.
And that again, really?
Allegheny County, effective until 12:50 a.m. A flash flood
that's
warning
loud.
has been issued for Allegheny County, effective until 12:50 a.m.
Now let me see if WDB goes off, maybe. Or, it's fine. Okay, nice. So now I got KSD and KDK. Bonus. Hi! Hi! Did I fucking ask? Did I fucking ask? Did I fucking ask? Did I fucking ask? Did I fucking ask you guys? Did I ask? Did I fucking ask?
Flash flooding is already occurring.
Did I fucking ask?
Flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other core drainage and low-lying areas.
Nah, we're not doing this today. We're not doing this today. We're not doing this today.
Richmond and Sun Valley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning.
Oh my god,
The
okay.
National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flash.
Okay, so I may or may not have jinxed that, because I was coming into my room and I was saying, I should be on the lookout, should more flood alerts be issued, and then, what do you know? PBZ extends time a flash flood warning. No, it's not showing up on here. I don't know why it's not showing up on here, but anyways, what do you know? PBZ extends time of flash flood warning for Jefferson, Brook, and Hancock until 2:30 a.m. Bread.